Welcome to another episode of Rome Over Landing. And today I'm going to update you guys on everything that's going on and what you're going to be in for over the next couple of episodes. We've got some big stuff planned. Really, I think after sitting for so many months waiting for the vehicle to get ready, we're just at the point now where it is time to get out there and go. I've been tirelessly planning an entire adventure behind the scenes waiting for this very moment. But there is another announcement. This next trip is not only going to have one Rome vehicle. There are going to be 2 official Rome vehicles, and that is the other one over there. So today we're at Bushtec and we are going to be installing their new prototype draw system in Rolf's Hilux. He's just bought a new Legend RS. It is beautiful. He's really kitted it out to the max, and it is going to be the second vehicle on our trip to Namibia. So we're going to be heading off to Namibia in the next couple of weeks. We're getting the vehicles ready, getting them everything sorted out and buttoned up, and yeah, it's really exciting. It's my first time going to Namibia. It's going to be really awesome. We've got a beautiful trip planned ahead of us. We're going to be going with a couple folks. So I can't wait to kind of brief you on more of it as we go along, but this is going to be an awesome adventure. So today's episode is going to be about getting the final little things ready. I'm hoping to squeeze in a pre-run trip just to be able to go test out the setup. We've got 3 people in my vehicle this time, so we just need to see how are we going to sleep in the rooftop tents, how are we packing clothes, how are we packing everything at the back here to have, you know, enough comfort for 3 people for a couple weeks out on the road in Namibia. So with the draw system going in Rolf's Bakkie now, this is Bushtec's basically redesigned from the ground up on the draw system that is in my vehicle. It's going to be coming in at about 35% lighter. It's got a full new redesigned sliding system, and it's going to be quite impressive. There's going to be ways to install it without having to drill holes in your tub, and it is just an improvement and an upgrade on every single level. Basically, once that's all done, we're then going to make our way through to Easy On. Rolf needs to put on his rooftop tent, and then we are pretty much ready to rock and roll. Sort out a few little things here and there, and then we are good to go for a pre-trip and then Namibia.
When it comes to planning a big trip like this, it wouldn't be possible without the support of my incredible sponsors. To know that there are people who believe in my vision is something that I am incredibly grateful for. Because to be honest, the past few months have not been great, and to know that they still have my back and want me to get out there and make a series for you guys is pretty damn awesome. So I just want to say thanks to everybody who got involved. This is going to be an epic trip. And all we gotta do now is put the final touches on Rolf's Hilux, and it is official. Another Rome vehicle. From this point on, it's just sorting out those last niggling little things that I've been wanting to do to the vehicle for ages.
It'd be nice to chat from vehicle to vehicle without having to worry about phones and messages and things like that. And not having to worry about silly walkie-talkies running out of battery and, you know, things like that, to have proper. So this is it here. Kiwi-Sun PT8000. It's a good looking unit, huh? That's what she said.
This would be one of many late nights at the Land Cruiser Heaven workshop, sorting out a variety of different upgrades on both of the vehicles. But it's never a hassle when it's time spent with good friends who all share a passion for this amazing thing we call overlanding. So I just want to say thanks to Ramon for being so willing to help us out. Your support has been massive, even though we just have some Hiluxes. Maybe one day we'll be rolling cruisers into your workshop instead.
Final little bit of prep. We're gonna go and do a little test trip just for the evening, just to go and set up our campsite and, you know, see how we've packed the vehicle, just to test pack. We've already noticed things that we've forgotten, things that would have slipped through the cracks. So it's good if you're gonna do a big trip like this, just get away, you know, a weekend before or something, just test your rough setup. And yeah, we're gonna go head through, meet up with Rolf, and we're gonna just be camping in just a little basic little place nearby. Are you? Ooh.
I'm camped up for it.
You're camping already?
After spending the whole day packing and organizing the vehicle, it was good to catch up and see each other's setups, and swap a few little notes on how to optimize it even better. But honestly, I feel like this is one of my favorite setups I've ever done on the Hilux. I really feel like I'm utilizing everything to its fullest, and we have very little wasted space. So I can't wait to see how we manage with 3 people in the vehicle. All that was left to do for the day was to set up, sit around the campfire, and discuss everything going on with the route and make the final changes to our game plan so we could be properly prepared for Namibia. First morning of camping done. It was really nice to actually just get out, set up, test things, test our cooking system, test the sleeping system, and we've really realized we forgot a lot of things. So we've got a couple more days just to quickly grab the last few little things, pack them in the vehicle, change the little packing setup a bit, and otherwise we are pretty good to go. And I think we've got some pretty incredible vehicles that we're going to be heading to Namibia with. One of the things I just want to have a quick little look around is I just want to show you around Rolfie's Hilux a little bit, see some of the stuff he's got on there, and yeah. We need coffee first though, so let's get the kettle on and then we'll have a walk around Rolfie's bakkie.
Do you want to give us just a little walkthrough?
Yeah, well, it's pretty much the same as yours.
Yeah, it's a Rome official Rome vehicle number 2.
Number 2. Yeah, it's Onka's front bumper, Onka's rock sliders, Onka's rear bumper.
But you're running different tires, so now you've got the KM3s on there with some beautiful, beautiful rims.
So it was the most challenging part for me to get right in this car was the rims, but I'm pretty confident we nailed it.
It looks good. So, and then over this side, some familiar looking toys.
The Boostech canopy with all the gadgets, the Easy On Batwing, the blade. You know, it's the stuff that one would swear I copied a Rome 1, but
but yeah, we're going to be living in luxury out there in Namibia.
Yeah, no, it's really the blade is just amazing.
So first night was good?
Ah, it was brilliant. There's no comparison.
No, lekker man, lekker. We've basically got 2 clone vehicles. I'm running the 2.4, Rolfie's running the 2.8 auto. And I think it's going to be really, really interesting to see. We'll see. We're going to look in terms of fuel consumptions and things like that. We'll nerd and geek out a little bit on our trip, but otherwise we're pretty much ready to rock and roll. And a few more days to just quickly button up all the last little things, and then
it's going to be tight.
It's going to be very tight. But Namibia awaits us. So the next time we catch up with you guys, we will be on our way to Namibia, and I cannot wait. So catch you on the next episode. Cheers.
If you're seeing this video now, then that means we're already off on our adventure. So make sure to subscribe and like the video so you don't miss out on the episodes once we return. I also want to say thanks to my Patreon members for supporting the show. You guys are awesome. Anyways, I'll see you when I see you. Cheers!